I'm Shorty's Underground Ribs, Shorty's Bootleg Barbecue. I'm Shorty. I was established in 1997, and I came up with a program to address the violence in Baltimore, guns, gangs, and violence. It's a self-help organization for the redevelopment and re-education of the young. Get Shorty. That's Martin O'Malley, 2006, Dwayne G. Davis. All right, like I said, Get Shorty, the movie, Get Shorty. And Governor O'Malley's the star of the show. Get Shorty, all right? You get to own me. I sold myself. I didn't sell my soul. I sold myself and my skills. Get Shorty. Imagine having your own manservant available 8 hours a day, 7 days a week for a full year. And that's what it was. It was about mass incarceration. I was renting myself out the same way that y'all sell us out. That's Sam Cassell's. That's Vicki Lawrence from Mama's Place. And that's Governor Schaefer, all right? Portions of the proceeds go to charitable organizations. I got locked up for the making this, so I'm asking for the grand jury. That's Judge Cox, and that's in 2017. And it's all right here. Misrepresentation of a felony, all right? And that's the United States Postal Service, all right? So everything from February the 2nd, 2008 to the present date, y'all got to produce. And that's my postal ID number. It's the 90 days of session. You stand for Tennessee, but we don't open your mouth about me. Right here. This is evidence and artwork. And if you go to the Visionary Arts Museum, she had my information. Put it on a toilet paper roll, all right? And that's the toilet. Commissioner Worley, Mayor Brandon Scott. These are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger for kidnapping. That's Malcolm Ruff. He was with the States Attorney's Office when I did this. That's Frank Conway. He destroyed evidence. Racism don't work without black cooperation, but it ain't gonna end without white participation. That's Senator Kelly. He gave me money to make this happen. That's Donald Trump. And like I said, I'm the king of talking shit, and I could back it up. That's President Obama and Barbara Mikulski. Obama asked for an investigation in 2008. Mikulski blocked the investigation. Yeah, that's that racism in the Democratic Party. And this is the letter right here. 1402 Lochner, 2010. Judge Boris, Governor O'Malley, Carl Snowden, Attorney General. It's all right here. Like I said, this is art and evidence. Also, Brooks has this. Speaker Jones has this. Raskin has this. Hoyer has this. See who got this? That's Speaker Adrian Jones. That's Governor Westmore. That's Mayor Brandon Scott, Commissioner Worley. And right here is Commissioner Harris. Those are kidnapping charges. That's Pat Young and Kathy Schlegel, or Schlegel, however you say her name, and President Trump. It's the golden apple because it's the golden time of day. That's Travis Winkie. That's Governor Hogan and me. Like I said, I'm making a documentary and everything's documented. Y'all did Baltimore The Wire. This is Baltimore Rewired. And I ain't got to change nobody's name. That's President Trump, and that's the White House with that toilet. That's my toilet. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects?
No. 1,000 times no.
Yeah. It's called potty training politicians. People pay attention to dumbass shit. Did you use the toilet today? You're going to think about me tomorrow. You're going to get the golden apple because I'm looking for the grand jury or the Supreme Court. A writ of certiorari or exoneration. That's the Maryland House of Delegates. All right. That's Caylin Young. That's the Maryland House of Delegates. All right. Subject: request for guidance for process of charge of exoneration. All right. And that's right there. And Caylin Young signed that. I'm the Weaver in Baltimore. So everything I've been doing for 90 days, I put it all on film. Everything for the last 90 days is all on film. You stand for Tennessee, but you won't stand for me. Racism don't work without black cooperation. That black girl magic caused a lot of black men pain. I'm still standing, and you've been silent on this ever since you came into that seat.